across mountains, cities and coastlines. These unbelievable nature moments capture the instant when nature reminds us who is truly in control. From shifting earth to violent storms and rare wonders, every clip is real and unscripted. Now let's begin with today's powerful footage. An avalanche doesn't threaten people alone. At Crystal Mountain in Washington, a chairlift sustained serious damage after a snowslide highlighting how powerful snow movement can impact infrastructure. In New York, a powerful tornado lifted a vehicle off the ground. Strong rotational winds can generate enough force to move heavy objects in seconds. Two consecutive lightning strikes hit a building in Midtown Manhattan. Scenes like this often evoke strong reactions. Natural phenomena can be both beautiful and unsettling at the same time. South Africa's coastline is home to the Cape Fur seal, a species found nowhere else in the world. These animals are an important part of the region's marine ecosystem. Hail fell across Paris, turning streets into hazardous zones. Protective gear and seeking shelter are the safest responses during sudden hailstorms.
They're floating away.
A powerful earthquake shook the ground so violently that a house appeared to lift from its foundation. In Bali, residents narrowly escaped as debris from an earthquake collapsed behind them just after they fled a church. Delicate ice flowers bloomed on the surface of the cold Norwegian Sea. These fragile formations appear when specific temperature and humidity conditions align. Technology met artistry as drones illuminated the night sky over Seoul in a coordinated display showcasing how engineering can create visual spectacles. The Leeward Islands endured extreme gusts as Hurricane Irma passed through. Powerful winds from major storms can tear through communities and infrastructure with little resistance. In Pittsburgh, straight-line winds knocked down trees across the city. Even without tornadoes, intense wind events can cause widespread damage. A SpaceX vehicle broke apart in the night sky with glowing fragments streaking like meteors. Re-entries and test anomalies can create dramatic displays as debris burns up in the atmosphere.
Just wait. Now it's going up.
A mountainside collapsed onto Zuma Beach in Malibu without warning, sending debris onto the shoreline. Coastal cliffs can fail suddenly due to erosion and instability.
No, but someone lost their lawn chairs.
That's so cool.
Oh, look at that.
Oh,
man,
whoa. Holy crap.
In New Zealand, earth and rock thundered down the slopes of Papamoa Hills, creating a dramatic landslide amid the surrounding wilderness.
There goes my post.
A rare mollusk known as Ctenoides ales was recorded in the Tongo Marine Reserve near Mo Al Boal. Beneath the surface, humpback whales formed a near-perfect spiral pattern while feeding. Coordinated movement like this reflects complex social and hunting behaviours. A tense moment unfolded in Hollywood as a passenger train was unable to stop in time, colliding with a truck stranded on the tracks. Rail crossings demand constant caution, especially when obstacles appear unexpectedly.
I can't believe it.
The night sky over Texas lit up in a single intense flash. Lightning can illuminate entire landscapes in an instant, releasing immense energy without warning. A routine shopping trip quickly turned into a scramble for shelter as hail began to fall. Fortunately, no injuries were reported, showing how preparation and quick decisions can reduce risk. A group works together to build a snow shelter. Snow structures, when properly constructed, can provide insulation and protection in cold environments. A mesmerizing time-lapse reveals auroras in the Milky Way stretching across the night sky above Yosemite, offering a glimpse into the vastness of both Earth and space.
Come on, let's go, it's getting worse. Oh my God. I'm trying to pick.
In Bali, security footage captured an earthquake violently shaking a pizza shop, sending furniture sliding across the floor. Fortunately, no injuries were reported.
Oh my gosh. This is a bad idea to be.
This is the most.
A severe blizzard with powerful winds swept through Alpine Meadows, California, leaving the landscape buried in white. Under powerful winds in New Hampshire, a mature tree was completely uprooted. A security camera captured the silent moment, showing how sudden and forceful wind events can be. Along an Amtrak rail line, a violent collision with a tractor-trailer turned the tracks into debris within seconds. High-speed impacts leave little margin for error. Flash flooding caused severe damage to the Palm Springs aerial tramway, forcing all operations to stop. Infrastructure in steep terrain is especially vulnerable to sudden water surges.
Pessoal, esse aqui é a nossa. Mas você tem que ser esse aqui. Nós vamos resolver esse problema.
Office lights swayed violently as a strong earthquake shook Mexico City. Even well-constructed buildings can move significantly during seismic events. Firefighters cleared snow-covered roads in Ascoli Piceno, Italy, restoring access during harsh winter conditions. Their efforts are vital during extreme weather. In Denver, howling winds and heavy snowfall blanketed the city, leaving streets buried under a thick layer of ice and snow. Winter storms like this demand preparation and caution.
Whoa!
These unbelievable nature moments show a planet full of beauty, danger, and constant change. Nature can inspire awe, but it also demands caution and respect. Thank you for watching. Stay aware, stay prepared, and join us again for more remarkable moments from around the world.